Hi, today we're going to make flower jewelry. The material required are thin wire, green floral tape, a dark blue color pen, an orange pen, white crepe paper and blue crepe paper. Cut stencils according to the measurements given. All the measurements are in centimeters. This is a stencil of a petal. This is 6 centimeter by 0.8 centimeter and the end is 0.25 centimeter wide. Cut 6 petals per flower and make 25 to 30 flowers per cluster. This is a stencil for the bud. This is 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Cut at least 5 or 6 bud. This is for the stamen. This is 5 centimeter by half a centimeter. Cut one piece per flower. First take the piece for the stamen and on one edge, one side, just color it with the pen on both sides. Then with scissors just cut very fine strips, 6 in number. So these are the stamens that we are making. This is what it will look like. Now apply glue on the base and wind this on top of the thin wire, on one side of the thin wire, like this. Fold one side first and then fold the other. Just press it hard. Now take the petals and then with a pencil, blue pencil, just draw a line in the center of each petal on both sides. So this way, and then we draw it on the other side also, like this. So just draw one single line in the center of the petal. Apply glue on one edge of the petal, about halfway through, right on the edge, and stick the other petal on it at an angle, like this. Then apply glue again and stick the next petal. So stick all the 6 petals like this. Let the petals dry, then apply glue on one edge of the petal, preferably the last petal that you stuck, and then fold the other side over like this and then stick the glued area on top of the folded petal like this and press it hard. And while it is still damp, insert a wire, a thickish wire through it so that the hole does not stick. And there is an opening left like this. And now let it dry completely. Apply glue on the stamen base that we made earlier and insert the wire through the flower like this and pull it through till you reach the end. The stamen height should be just slightly above the petals, sorry, below the petal. like this, and press the base so that it sticks. Now take the green tape and wind it from the base of the flower till the end of the wire. So just wind it like this. After it's been stuck like this, now take a pair of scissors and curl the petals outward. Like this. Push the petals down a bit, and then give a little crimp, just one crimp or a twist in the middle of each petal where the line is. Like this. From the thin wire, make a loop about 1 centimeter long, and then take the crepe paper and put it on top of the loop, folding it to make a bud. Now take the green tape and just stick it at the base of the bud till the end of the wire. After covering the whole stem with tape, take a blue pen, a slightly darker shade of blue, and then just draw lines on it to show the petal lines. Like this. Make about 3 or 4 lines on the bud. For the necklace, take the flowers that you want to join together, and taking one flower first, make a loop like this with the wire and twist the end around the stem like this. Then take the next flower and insert it through the loop so that it comes through like this, and then make a loop with the next flower's stem. You wind it round it. And you add on flowers like this. Insert it through the loop first, and then as much length that you want, you make the loop and twist the wire. You go on and make the necklace as big or small that you want. Now this is how it will look with the chain. Now for the back, take a thin wire and cut it in half. Then from one side, loop it around the flower like this. And from the other side, put it through the loop like this, and then twist the wire. Now if you want, you can leave it like this or put green floral tape on it. And this is how the necklace would look. Keeping as much length as you want, you can twist the rest of the wire at the back and cut it off. For the bracelet, measure the widest part of your hand, that is just on the knuckle of the thumb like this, and then cut off the wire and make a circle on it by twisting the wires here. This is how it will look. Now take some green tape and wind it around the whole of the bangle. This is how it will look. Now take a flower and wind the stem of the flower around the bracelet. Take the another flower and position it wherever or how far you want it from the first flower, and then again wind it. And this is how the bangle or bracelet would look. If you don't want to cover the whole thing, cover just half and leave the rest. That is entirely up to you. For the ring, I have taken a little bud and one flower. Put the bud slightly above the flower. First, twist the wires, the stems together, and taking the width of your finger, just twist the wire like this and on the stem. Like this. And this is how it will look on your finger. For the earrings, you get these hoops. These are available in the market. So you take these and insert thin wire through the hoops at the end of it, and twist it like this. Then I have taken a bud, so you take one bud, then add it to the flower, slightly above the flower, and then a white flower, and twist all the stems together first, and then twist this wire on the stem. Like this, and then cut off the excess stem of the wire of the flower. And this is how your whole jewelry set would look. This is the necklace, this is the bangle, the ring, and the earrings.